Now I will show you how to create a unique fresh content with Joomla inside the Joomla with AI Plazas and Joomla plugin. First of all, I download the content writer, click here and then download it. And after download, I go to dashboard and install this plugin. Now I need to activate it. Here, just click the status and make it activated, enabled. You don't need to make any configurations. Then go to content or wherever the extended editor exists. Here it is visible now. I clicked it. First of all, I select the task. At the first version, there is only one task, fresh from scratch content writing. Okay, title is like a subject. I'm telling to AI Plaza. I want to create a content for my blog, Choco Fondue. Okay, let's say I give some keywords. So I want these keywords. To use, and I wanted a writing style. Here you can select one of the writing styles, and this is for children, and audience is children's, preteens, teenagers, young adults. I want it as tagline, intro text, and the conclusion at the end. Here you can see at the bottom of the select or input areas, text areas, always a description. For that reason, don't worry, it will take only 2 minutes to read this. I want it is between 750 and 1200. I want it as meta title, description, and output language English. If your website is another language, then the language will be visible here and you can select. Output format, I want it is HTML. And content purpose is a blog post for me. You can enter here, right here, a URL. The AI will go visit this URL and get some information. At the moment, I don't need it. I prepared some content here. I want it to use it as a source, as a reference. Use this content to some extra information. Always this is good because the AI models, they can be some less information than you expected. For that reason, if you provide some extra information, it is better to generate a good content. This is for reading level, and this content will be for the people living in this area. And I click to generate content. Now it started to generate. When it is finished, it will be visible in this area. Look, it is visible. Okay, everything is ready. Just you need to do insert content. Okay. Now title is ready for the publishing. Meta description is ready, and the keywords. And here, okay, tagline. I don't need to write tagline. Okay, if you look into the source code, you will see H1, H2, H3, and the lists and the keywords highlighted by strong. It is SEO optimized, well-formed content. Okay, here you can. I want to add here a read more and featured. Save close. Let's have a look at it here. A wonderful content just in less than 3 minutes. Okay, here you can download it for free, and whenever you need help, you can ask at our help desk, and you can here start your free trial, and you will get 200 credits for free. That means like at least 4 contents you can generate for free, and then later on you can get an AI mini package just for $4.90 in a month, and almost 50 content, so like 10 cents for one content. Okay, thank you very much for watching, and I wish you a good day.